Samsung Galaxy A71 charging port replacement repair. So let's get started. So there is a few screws at the bottom and top. We're gonna go and open these, but before we're gonna pop the SIM tray out. Normal Phillips screws, just a few of them. Now remove this housing, back side one carefully. So there is two screws on the fingerprint sensor ID. We're gonna remove them and disconnect the finger sensor ID. That done, please carefully remove the charging port. Disconnect all connectors first and then remove that carefully. So now we will going to place this fresh new charging port and connect all connectors, LCD connectors and main flex.
No, that's not true. Okay. No problem. Do you want me to
Finally connect the touch sensor ID.
If you want me to repair it, I can repair it for you. No one.
I'll have a little think about what I'm going to do with that one.
Yes.
We might just, I think I just
If you
got a little bit of water in it, so it might dry out. It's
all right, but obviously it's cracked. The screen needs changing.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want me to change the screen, I can change the screen on that as well.
Yeah. How much do you charge for that?
When that's all done, we're gonna put back all the back frame to it.
50-60 pounds.
60, alright.
Okay, use that. It will be turned on. Yeah, now.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much and have a good one. Enjoy the day. Any problem or something, just come, okay? Thank you.
Install back all screws.
Pay me an extra 25 pounds. I can do that for you. Look at
I'm
that.
alright.
You're alright with that?
I just want to get it going.
Okay, because I erase it, I erase that will like a fresh phone, it will take a little bit time, okay, to
So what?
make it to like, I just erase it, factory reset it, okay,
Right.
that will be like a new phone, new everything. So there you go.
Now attach to it the back cover. Either you can use glue, super glue, or you can just use it as it is with adhesive, sided tape. You can simply just hold it and place it on the phone, the back side. Put the SIM tray, and then we will try the charging port if it's working fine. So the yeah, it's working. Start charging. So the phone is fine, the charging is okay now.